Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping any further recording or app installs. Every write risks overwriting your deleted audio. Once done, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so your PC can access internal storage. Make sure you install a reputable recovery tool on the PC now. This is where the actual scan runs faster and safer. Connect your phone via USB, choose file transfer mode, and grant the PC permission. This first step prepares device access and prevents further data loss. On the PC, launch the Recovery app and pick a deep or full file system scan. Shallow scans often miss erased entries. Select internal storage as the target and let the tool index file fragments. This can take 10-60 minutes depending on storage size. Use filters to narrow to audio formats like MP3, M4A, WAV, or AMR to speed review. Preview each match. Once confident, export recovered files to a PC folder. Do not write recovered files back to the phone yet. To avoid overwrite, after export, verify integrity by playing the files on your PC, listen for gaps or corruption, and note timestamps. When files look good, copy them to the phone in a brand new folder to avoid overwriting other recoverable data. Make sure to back up recovered files to cloud or external drive immediately. If key recordings are still missing, retry with another recovery tool, run a second scan with alternate settings, or consult a professional service. A single failed pass does not mean the data is unrecoverable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.